Reaching the top in affiliate marketing today. Are you constantly failing with your affiliate marketing strategies? Are you considering giving it up? Do not quit. In this video there are some great tips that can help assist you in this process. If you apply these tips, you will have a great shot at finally being successful with affiliate marketing. You should only promote affiliate products that add value to your visitors' lives. Promoting inferior products just to make a quick buck is one of the fastest ways to lose trust with your readers. Once that trust is broken, it is impossible to regain. However, if you focus on providing value in the products you recommend, your readers will come to trust your recommendations and will continue to buy from you again and again. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, search for companies that offer front-end as well as back-end commissions. This will allow you to earn multiple commissions from each customer that you refer to the affiliate company's site, and allow you to develop a long-term relationship with your affiliate company. To be a successful affiliate marketer, you have to say no to some ventures. Make sure you can handle everything that's already on your plate before you take on another task, and always remember to only involve yourself in productive tasks that will eventually lead to profits. Leave those maybe tasks for someone else to do. You need to focus on results. Attempting to market the most popular products on the web may be bad news for your affiliate status. You want to have quality products, but it does not mean that you will be popular. Marketing extremely popular items also means dealing with a lot of competition. In this case, generating profit may not be possible. These pieces of advice show that success with affiliate marketing is possible. You just need to work hard and be smart. Since these tips will help you make the smart decisions, half of the battle is already won. Now, work hard on these strategies, and you will see your earnings grow with affiliate marketing. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.